In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew a domain in your GoDaddy domain portfolio. If you need to keep ownership of a domain name and make sure it doesn't expire, renewing it is a quick and important task. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process clearly so you can complete it without confusion. Start by going to your GoDaddy domain portfolio. This is the section where all of the domains in your account are listed in one place. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the specific domain you want to renew. If you manage multiple domains, this is especially helpful because it lets you confirm that you're selecting the correct one before moving forward. Next, check the box next to the domain you want to renew. This step tells the system exactly which domain you'd like to take action on. After selecting it, click the option that says Renew Domain. That will open the renewal process for the domain you chose. Once the renewal screen appears, select the term length you want. In other words, choose how long you'd like to renew the domain for. Depending on what's available, you may be able to renew for 1 year or for multiple years at a time. If you plan to keep the domain long-term, choosing a longer renewal period can help you avoid the risk of forgetting to renew again too soon. On the other hand, if you prefer to keep things flexible, a shorter term may work better for you. After choosing the renewal term, continue to the payment checkout and complete the purchase. As you move through checkout, make sure to review the renewal details carefully so you know exactly what you're paying for and how long the domain will remain active. Once the payment is submitted successfully, the renewal should be processed and your domain's registration period will be extended. That's all there is to it. The main thing is to verify that you selected the correct domain, choose the renewal term that fits your needs, and finish checkout completely so the renewal goes through. Renewing your domain on time helps protect your website, email, and overall online presence from interruption. And that's how to renew a domain in your GoDaddy domain portfolio.